Hello NXCam programmer, let's create a quick roughing operation. Type mill contour, operation subtype, quick roughing. A program group, a 1/2 inch roughing end mill. The geometry is workpiece with part and blank specified, mill rough method. Select OK. Specify a step over and cut depth that work for you, and then select Generate. Quick Roughing has produced a toolpath. Select the Geometry node. Note the part stock, inherited from the mill rough method. Change the in-process workpiece to use 3D. Notice the Display Resulting IPW button appears in the Actions group but is disabled. Select Generate. The Display Resulting IPW button is active. Select it. Zoom in to notice that the shoulder has not been cut. If the shoulder needs to be cut, select the main node. By default, the quick roughing operation includes a top-off flat faces feature that automatically trims flat areas of your part that would not be included in the planar level-based generation. Faces larger than the specified width are included, allowing the cam operator easy control over stock removal between cut levels. This particular shoulder is 60 thousandths wide. Stock inherited from the mill rough method is 40 thousandths, leaving a 20 thousandths wide face available to be recognized. Select Generate. Select Display Resulting IPW. Notice the shoulder is machined. Fill out feeds and speeds, and then head into the Cut Levels node. Range type is set to automatic by default. Automatic detects the top and bottom of the part and uses the volume as the machining range. If necessary, we can specify cut levels a variety of ways. Let's key in top level distance 1 inch, bottom level distance 0, to see Quick Roughing's open cutting pattern. Next, let's specify the range by selecting Faces to show Quick Roughing's semi-open cut pattern. Let's restrict the range to the closed area. We can select the top face, and to specify the bottom, we can graphically drag the arrow below the surface. Select Generate. Set the range type back to automatic. Generate. Display Resulting IPW. In the Strategy node, we can control the smallest radius expressed in a toolpath by corner smoothing. A smaller corner value will rough close to the part. However, it can be increased up to the step over value to improve tool stability and feed rates. As we increase the radius value to 29%, notice this feature. Select Generate. Select Display Resulting IPW. Notice we have removed much less stock in this feature and also in this feature. Set the radius back to 5% and Generate. Select OK. Congratulations NXCam programmer. You've applied a quick roughing operation.